there. Guess what I'm doing today? Putting the guts back in the door. There's the window and the track. Here's the adjuster and the striker and the handle and a million bolts and, you know. Yeah. Speaking of puzzles. By the way, do not lose these. Thank you to Rust Bucket Restos. He gave me those. So that's what holds the armrest on. Okay? So I really have no idea what I'm doing, but you can learn with me, and maybe I'll just cut it so it looks like I'm so smart. Hopefully by the time I'm done, we'll have the window and the wing window and the door handle and the lock and all that jazz be put together, and then I'll do the driver's side door. I've already put that chrome strip back in, and yeah, won't that be nice to be able to lock the door or roll up the window? Maybe. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a lock. So you can see that one is the lock somehow. Let me tighten those down too. It's the back side of the door handle, and I'm going to need something that connects to that. As soon as I figure out what that is, I'll let you know. So we'll just let this roll. Hopefully we can figure it out. Okay? Okay. So I say, take this one out. I had one screw in it, that's nice. So that's it. That's all it is. Striker plate. I took it out, a spare door. It works fine, and it was aligned. But since it's missing a couple things on it, and I know this one came out of the original door to the car, let's try it. I sprayed some lubricant on it, so hopefully that's lubey enough. Could be missing connectors, I don't know. Does not surprise me. This one looks like I've got it right, you know. It's locked, it's unlocked, that's it. So I can lock the doors now. Whoop-dee-doo. I think these, well, they're definitely different from 68 to 6970, because 6970 the door had the locks here, 68 it's over here. They made it so people couldn't, you know, easily get in and unlock it. Which even now it's pretty easy, honestly. If somebody wants your stuff, they're gonna take it. All right, so I had a little bit of progress. Let's test it live, or live for you anyway. Shut the door as the lock falls out. And this will be the first time it's open by itself. Oh, yay, except for it's stuck kind of, but at least it worked. So I've got if you look in here, thanks to my son for his fancy flashlight. So in here, almost too much. You can see how it goes. The lock goes like that, the handle goes like that, etc., etc. Want a piece of the old handle fell down in there. There's the window crank. So, big thing is, you're gonna need a bunch of these connectors. Luckily, I have a whole bunch of the old ones because I have 6 doors. Actually 4 of them were on the original 2 AMD. So here is a one that goes here to the door handle. So I'm guessing this is a driver's side, I think. Where's the other one? Nope, it's a passenger. And so it goes here and then connects here. And again, you're going to need some of these connectors. Okay. Otherwise, it's not going to stay for more than 1 or 2 pulls, and then you'll be wishing you had it. And this one is off of 68. Can you tell why? 69, of course, it's a driver's side, so it is even a little different that way, but this is the part to open the door, I think. Yeah, 69, which goes right here. Bump, bump, bump. So this would go like this, and then this goes up, something like that, and then over. But this one on a 69 or 68, the door lock thing is here. Now this is a driver's side, so it'd be reversed, but same thing. And also the lock just fell out somewhere. You can tell I'm very organized. The lock that just, there it is. They are different. You need to have this side for the passenger. This thing. Hold on. This thing needs to be that way. Well, it depends on if you want your keys upside down or not. I'm going to put the keys upside down like the ignition, so then it'd just be easy to remember. Suppose I could do it this way. And then just use the other side. Maybe I will. Maybe that's why I haven't been able to get this one in. We'll find out. Okay. So a lot of it is just trial and error. You're going to need a lot of these pieces to connect them. I'm going to rob some from the old stuff I have. You could probably find it if you know what you're looking for. But some of these, some of these, some of these, etc. Some of those. Okay. And I still got to put the window in. This is just the mechanism for the locks and the handles. It's a lot of work. Alright, so I've got this part here. There's a rod that goes into here and then connects to this. When you pull the handle, this rod will undo it. Well, you want to, let's see, where's the real one? So it'll be connecting to this. Right here. So this long rod, see? Boom. Connecting to here. And you're going to need one of these little latches on it, see? Just slides on like that. And then snaps on somehow. I'll figure that out. Okay. So this will go behind it. Ow. You've got it connecting right here. Okay, this long rod going across, connecting right here. Like that. And then this little clip that you can't barely see will go on the back. I think. And then go up and around and go clip. And then they hook together right like that. Okay. And we still haven't even started the window. But we will have a lock now. And a door handle. Looks like it's going to be a 7/16 head. Okay, boom. That'll work. So theoretically, I probably scooted up because I was banging it around. Now see, this is interesting to see because I've now jammed it somehow. I locked it with a key. But that still should make that work, right? So it's officially jammed. That's not right, but something's jamming a little bit. You have to be really careful about that. All right, it's time for a break. All right, we made more progress, boys and girls. Check it out. There's a key in there, watch. Watch what this key does. Lock, unlock. And this little thing right here, if you push it. Ta-da! Locked, no open. Unlocked. Yes, open. It's just like brand new. So awesome. Now let's put the window in. So this part that looks like a wrench has to go in first. we should put this thingy-bob in there too, because it's, you know, the window channel thingy. Do I remember how it goes? No. I gotta say, that wasn't as difficult as I thought so far. I thought it was gonna fight me the whole way. If I can get this thing, into the track, which I should be able to, and that aligned, you know, the rest is just putting bolts in, right? Maybe. Alright, so we got that on and this on. Now I've got to attach this in the front and put this plate thing in there and figure out where this thing goes and where this thing goes. And I think I'm missing the pin that goes here. To figure out, unless, no, I'm missing it. I need to figure out where it is. But we got this that opens, and we got the door mostly in. The window is dirty, but I'll clean that. Cool. We're making progress.